The most important outcome of the Hustler Fund is the opportunity it's given Kenyans to become more visible in the credit market. And now that experience that we've had in the last 2 years, we are now formulating the credit behavior trend that we have observed. We are formulating into a Hustler Fund credit behavioral rating system. So you're going to have a Hustler Fund credit rating, which is going to range from A1 to C3, having 9 bands, that is C3, C2, C1, B3, B2, B1, A3, A2, A1. All this is just to give them some sort of rating that now can make people in the credit market starting to appreciate them, starting to engage with them, to building relationship with them. We have established credit history, or rather credit profiles of all Kenyans on Hustler Fund platform, who are currently totaling up to 24.7 million as of today morning. We have disbursed more than 60 billion to 24.7 million Kenyans, and we have mobilized close to 3.3 billion in saving. We've been promoting a saving culture among Kenyans and really doing very good, because again, you cannot do any business also if you are not saving, so that in the event of any shocks, you get to the risk yourself. We also are going to now pipe them through another product which we'll be launching, and this product is to bridge them from the totally fintech product, which has been digital, let me just use the word digital lending products, to also start now interacting with the banking sector. So the banks will now give them an opportunity, start building relationship with them. And as they build relationship, it means, for you to create a relationship with the bank, you open a bank account. And if you are to go to the bank to ask for credit, they will always ask you, give us your 6-month bank statement. So we're giving them an opportunity to start interacting with the bank. The bank will develop their basic KYC, they know your customer kind of data, so that then when these people go there, they can now start being served. What is coming out from the experience so far in the last 2 years of the Hustler Fund intervention is that the financing to MSME has always been there in the market. The problem is now getting the individuals who are credit-worthy, who have that level of credit-worthiness that can enable them access credit. Because majority of our population do not own means of production, so therefore they have very limited access to the traditional collaterals which are required in the market. So because of that, with the intervention, the Hustler Fund intervention is trying to support Kenyans in building and establishing the credit history, and then this credit history now can create their visibility in the mainstream financing market, where now the ability to borrow and their willingness to repay will now be judged based on the experience they've had on Hustler Fund, as opposed to them now being required to issue probably title deeds or payslip, because again, a huge segment of our population are not formally employed.